Hello and welcome to this new course in which I'm going to teach you how to make Arduino based text-to-speech. This is Educational Engineering Team. In this text-to-speech using Arduino course, you will learn how to convert normal text into speech. This tech enables the system to speak out the text in a human voice. There are many examples of text-to-speech conversions, like the announcements at public transport, the customer care calls, and any voice assistant like Siri or Google smartphones. If you have an Apple phone and if you talk to your phone by saying, "Hey Siri," a voice assistant will come up and assist you. There is also examples in the navigation menu of any machine. If you have a car that has a smart monitor and a GPS enabled director, it will help guide you using voice or text to speech by saying turn right and turn left. You can even find the text-to-speech systems in Microsoft Word, where you set it to speak out the text written in your document. Today, in this course, I will teach you how to make your very own text-to-speech converter using Arduino board. I will help you in a step-by-step guide with each step along the way, starting with the required component, why do you need them, how to connect them together, and how to program your Arduino to convert any text that you write into speech. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course, and now let's take a quick look at what you will learn when you join this course. First step is learning how to pre-process your text. This is something called normalization. In this step, in the conversion process, you will learn the conversion of the symbols, numbers, and abbreviations into words that can be read by the machine, like, let's say, a question mark. You will convert this into question mark. A dot will be converted to dot, a written DOT, instead of just a dot as a symbol. That way, you can simply convert any symbol, then read the symbol out loud using your machine. The second step involves the conversion of normalized text into phonemes or phonetic transcripts. The phonemes are the small part of spoken words, like the sounds that make sentences. This step is very essential so that your machine can speak the words just like a human being. So the second step will involve conversion of normalized text into phonemes, as we already mentioned, and the first step will be a pre-processing where you convert symbols, numbers, and abbreviations into something that the machine can read. Then we come to the final step, which is the last step. It involves the synthesis of phonemes into spoken voice. This step can be achieved by different methods, like by recording your human voice for different words or phrases. So you can start recording each word using your own voice. So if you are making a device that counts from 1 to 10 in a waiting room, you can simply say 1 and record this into your computer, then say 2 and record this into your computer, because you already know the words that are going to come out. If you don't know the words, you need to use a different method which will help generate basic sound frequencies and build them up as phonemes or by copying human speaking mechanism. There is already a lot of libraries that can handle this, and I will take you on a step-by-step on how to do this thing easily without having to record every word. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course content. See you inside the course. This is Educational Engineering Team.